Hey, what's up? I have in my hands the smallest smartphone gimbal. It is called FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket. As you understand from the name, it is designed for vlogging and carrying in the pocket. The slogan of this gimbal on official website says, "Everyone can be a vlogger." Let's find out, is it really good gimbal for vlogging? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket comes in a square white box. Here you can see the company logo, model name and the image of gimbal. The main features are on the side face and specifications on the back. Inside the box there is a warranty card, user manual and a card with social media of FeiyuTech company. Here is a nice bag to carry the gimbal with you while traveling. It is a very useful accessory. There is also micro USB cable in the box. Vlog Pocket has micro USB port, so it uses micro USB cable for charging. Finally, here is the gimbal itself. The first impression is that it is very small. By the way, there is also a tripod, and you can screw it to the gimbal. That's great. I already like the gimbal, but it's too early to make the conclusion. We should test it, but before that, let's look at design, control and companion app. The first test for this gimbal: does it really fit in my pocket? As you can see, yes, it does. Of course, it's not very convenient, and it's better to carry the gimbal in your bag or just in your hand, but if you want, you can put it in your pocket. For comparison, the gimbal in folded state is almost the same size as my phone. That's very impressive. I have never seen such a compact gimbal. Before you start using the gimbal, you need to unfold it. Just unscrew this part, then unfold the arm back and unlock 3-axis motor. That's all. By the way, pay attention to this sticker. It says that the phone should be inside before power on the gimbal. I don't know why, but it's better to follow the recommendations. Now you can put your phone in gimbal and shoot the video. I will use Samsung Galaxy A60 for shooting the video. It has 6.3-inch diagonal. You can use even bigger smartphone. However, it should be less than 240 grams. FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket has only 2 buttons on the front side and trigger on the back. We will talk about control a little later. Also, there is micro USB port on the left side. As I already said, FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket has a tripod. It is screwed into the bottom of the gimbal. It has 3 legs that make it possible to stand upright on any surface. Now, let's talk about how to turn on the gimbal and to use it. So, after you have put the smartphone in gimbal, you can turn it on. Just press and hold the first button for about 2 seconds until the green light turns blue. The short press of function button enables panning mode. Press it once again and the gimbal will be locked. Double press the same button, switch from landscape to portrait mode. The second button is used to take photo and video. Also, if you use a FeiyuTech app, you can double click the button to switch photo and video mode. Triple click to switch front and rear camera. And long press to start the video recording. All of these functions do not work if you use the stock camera app on your phone. Finally, the trigger on the back. You can press and hold the trigger to enter the follow mode. I think that's all you need to know about control of a FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket. Now let's take a look at the application. The app is called Feiyu On. It is available both on Android and iOS devices. You just need to install the app, then turn on Bluetooth on your phone, open the app, and it will be automatically recognize the gimbal. The main screen of the app looks like this. The photo mode has white balance, ISO, exposure, and other manual settings. The photo shooting modes are following: overlapping image, light reel mode, free panorama, ultra wide angle, 180-degree panorama, and 360-degree panorama. Among the video shooting modes are slow motion, light reel mode, time lapse, motion time lapse, and dolly zoom. Finally, we should talk about tracking mode. Press this button and you will see the tutorial how to use it. So you just need to select any object and the camera will track it. You can move in different directions, but the object will be always in the middle. By the way, I want to note that maximum video resolution in Feiyu On App is only Full HD. You cannot shoot 4K video through this app, even if your phone supports 4K video recording. Now I'm gonna show the videos in different shooting modes. You can also compare the videos I shot in Feiyu On App and stock Samsung app. Please do not pay attention to video quality, because we compare stabilization and smoothness, not image quality. After the video samples, we can conclude about this gimbal. I cannot say that it makes a perfectly smooth video, because there is a little jerking while running. This is not a professional gimbal. However, it really works and makes your video smoother. I think you will not find a smartphone with better stabilization than this gimbal. The main feature of FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket is compact size. Most likely, this is the smallest phone gimbal on the market. It's perfect for travelers and vloggers. Finally, the last advantage of the new gimbal is affordable price. You can buy it for only $99. I will leave the links where you can buy FeiyuTech Vlog Pocket in the description under the video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.